Watch this video till the end and I promise that it will totally change the way you look at this particular commodity, and it will totally change the way how you spend it or invest it the next time.
$25 दिन में पैसा डबल.
So if you think that after watching this video you will get rich overnight, then this video is not that. In today's video I am going to tell you all about two of the most important concepts in investing. That is compound interest and SIP, which stands for systematic investment plan, and how by learning these two concepts you will be able to make 1 crore and above by investing 500 rupees a month. So do watch the video till the end to know how you can make that. Before starting this video, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. Subscribe now because I'm totally excited to bring new content related to self-improvement and personal finance on this channel. So do subscribe. So the first concept that we will be learning in today's video is compound interest. So the formula that you're seeing right here, it is one of the most important formulas you can ever imagine. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. So who says that? It is said by Warren Buffett, who is considered to be the all-time greatest in investors. So what is compound interest and why is it called the 8th wonder of the world? I'll explain to you all with a simple example. Suppose you all decide to save 1000 rupees at a rate of interest of 10%. So what you get after 1 year is 1100. And if you remove that amount, that is called simple interest. But if you let that amount accumulate for the period of suppose 20 years or 30 years, that massive wealth which will be created, it's all because of compound interest. So that is compound interest, which is interest which is accumulated on top of interest. The second important concept is SIP. SIP stands for systematic investment plans. So this is an option which is provided by a mutual fund scheme. Alright. So using the SIP, I'll show you how to by investing 500 rupees every month, you will be able to make or amass a wealth of rupees 1 crore with proof. I'll show you all by the end of this video. So SIP is an option which is provided by a mutual fund in which you invest X amount of money periodically into that mutual fund and you get returns accordingly. So moreover, SIP or systematic investment planning strengthens the discipline of our financial saving. So it is very important in the long run. So the most interesting part that you have been waiting for. Let's hop into my computer screen and I'll show you all how exactly you all can make 1 crore rupees by just investing 500 rupees a month. So now we're into my computer screen and I'll show you all how to calculate the SIP. So let us go to SIP calculator website. So that website helps us to calculate the SIP based on how much amount we are going to invest per month. So yeah, here's the website. So our monthly investment as promised in the video will be 500 rupees. And the annual rate of return will be 15%, which is the average report from the previous 40 years. And it's a report by SEBI. So the investment period would be 37 years. So let us calculate the amount. So after the calculation, now we can see that the expected amount after 37 years of investing is rupees 1 crore. Now I know that most of you people might be wondering that 37 years is a lot of time, but guys, I'm also hoping that you will be giving a top up to that 500 rupees periodically. So that is how you make 1 crore rupees from 500 rupees per month. So now that you have watched the video till the end, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with at least 5 people, because spreading financial knowledge is a must in today's time, right? So I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, it's Rahul signing out, and it will totally change the way how you spend it or invest it the next time.